You see Masicka? Them are gonna make him become as big as Alkaline or even bigger.
Oh, no, the killing them never that.
A few moments later.
When people used to tell me say Alkaline winning and clash with Squash, dog, it always make me cringe, you know, cause me I say, yo,
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
yo, free Squash, dog. Free Squash. Yo, remit me the, yo, come at me the one cry when my sister Squash get locked up, dog. I swear to you.
Backy boy.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Don't know things that you know. So we see J Progress run out. You see me and an elder. You see me, but J Progress has some things still, but want to know here what go on. You see it?
The dancehall space each and every day. You see Masicka? Them are gonna make him become as big as Alkaline or even bigger. Because specifically the Gaza fans them have a way to eat down on other artists and tear them down. In the name of Vybz Kartel. But the funny thing is, Vybz Kartel no support the tear down of artists and the world down of artists. But the Gaza fans them try to tear down every other artist say them do it in the name of Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, man, I say things set, man. You don't know. Remember, say them not really care about the culture, you know. I just Cartel them do this. See it. Them not really busy about the music. Whatever Cartel are dominating, yeah, them talk about that. You see me? Anything else, them just bring down that. You see it? But the part where you say with Big and Alkaline and all them things there, I'm not sure about that, brother, because Masicka and Alkaline, like, them get the breakthrough in the same, like 2 years apart. You understand? You have to understand, bro, like, remember, say, Masicka was a part of the Gaza. The same man fall up on stage and say, yo, me them talk about Gully Vendetta. Yo, a Gaza genocide. So, he was a part of that same system thing where you say a so-called a fight him now. You understand? So, at the end of the day, I can't even too sorry for Masicka if I get beaten. Because he was a part of that when the whole industry and when them against Alkaline. Them usually push up Masicka and hype him up. Anytime them want for this Alka, them hype up Masicka and say I do this and one bag of this and Ray. But you don't know Masicka this up them artists, you know, them turn back on him now, and when I time them I use Alkaline, they say, yo, you better Cartel like Alkaline the strength and the ratings come. No, you the money come out and this and Badman and this and that. You know them stay already. You understand? But you don't know Alkaline I go where's in the mix. You see me? But that thing them not sure about that, brother, because Gaza been a give him the strength. You understand? Yeah, and Masicka gone 11 years since him get that breakthrough song there in 2015 hardball where we can say alright. You see me? But I don't know. Masicka just a doing thing and I be him. You see me? But him just take the wrong part, bro. You see me? Because from the get-go him tell him say, yo, he wouldn't align him brand or align himself with Gaza and Alliance. But when you check it, him say Gaza genocide, so I wonder what now. You see me?
If you remember, them do the exact same thing to Alkaline. But where is Alkaline today? Alkaline are pull him on weight. Alkaline are sold out him on shows them. And on top of that, big up to Alkaline with him Barclay Center show. Me know I want to see what I go on, even though I know I say him could have never do it.
Yeah, I don't think when you say the same thing with them do Alkaline, no, them do worse. Because you have to remember this, and Alkaline never join an alliance with the Gaza thing. Him been a do him thing. You see me, from the get-go when him found out, him never this Cartel. Him say Cartel a great artist, but I guess them take it as a diss. You see me? But Masicka align himself with the Gaza thing, and then after now, the thing fall out. Alkaline never do that. You see me? And the Barclay show, brother, you have to understand, bro. That's a one-man hype thing them run with, bro. You see me? And not really for the culture them really are mates. You see it? So, whatever Alkaline do, them gonna find some excuses to make it look like, say, yo, you know the great things. You see me? Yeah, I saw them on the stay. You see it? But the Masicka and the Alkaline thing, nah, two different situations. You see me? Because, to be honest, Masicka not really getting a fight, brother. I just a bag of internet talking. Him not getting a fight. The music still a play. People still are playing music. You have people out there in the industry who rate him same way we are give him highlight. With Alkaline, everybody, you understand? Everybody, majority of people them no rate Alkaline. I remember say because of one man, you know. Is it? Yeah. So but Alkaline never when Alkaline just found out, him never this cartel. But Masicka join the Legion with the Gaza thing and then end up in a song. This and one bag of things, so a two different thing.
Masicka may get as big or bigger than Alkaline. And the same fight where Alkaline get will make him so big, and the same fight Masicka got through are even worse. And it probably worse, you know, because Alkaline never did align himself with Vybz Kartel, but Masicka did. So it fight even worse, and them have him as a sellout and this and that.
Brother, to be honest, I know say the fight with Alkaline, yeah, Alkaline get the biggest fight, but you have to remember, say brother, Alkaline put out quality music. And the music were really conquer the haters them. You understand? Cause him could have get fight and just give up and but in music him use conquer it. Till some of them have to end up rating because of music when put out there. You understand? So remember that. You see it?
But I want to say this to dancehall players, dancehall supporters, and specifically to the Gaza fans them. Masicka now go nowhere in a dancehall. Talent like that not just disappear so. Impact like that not just disappear so. So Muda say to you say, you keep you support at Vybz Kartel. Continue to buy Vybz Kartel music, promote him music and big up him thing. But don't waste your energy and try to fight Masicka and get him out of the game. Because I can tell you now. I waste no time.
Masicka performance was a good performance. I won't tell a lie. No. I won't say a good performance and come here and tell a lie and say he had a bad performance. I didn't like. No, the performance was great. But here I know. So I see Masicka up on the stage and he must say, "You're the baddest thing in a dancehall. You're the baddest." And them know that. And you see the part, you know. You see the part to get to me, you know. And let me say that part first. You see when Masicka said that? Me start look around for the younger generation them, see? Because
Brother, oh no make people. Oh them me tell you say them guys are man are weak, you know. Them weak, you freak dog. A real wet bread them. Brother, some Masicka say him are the baddest thing on stage. Brother, him no can see himself as the baddest thing. If you wanna see him as the baddest thing, why you getting your feelings? Eh? Masicka been said that, brother. We don't say that Masicka that Masicka does talk and this and that, brother. Nobody even paid. How you know Gaza man when Masicka whatever him say, getting out no feelings. You don't understand this, bro. If Masicka say my body's thing, brother, no feel him opinion that, brother. You see me? Feel him opinion, why get uno no feelings? Cause you say sure a good performance and thing. But when him say baddest thing get, brother, yo dog, brother, if you not wait, but stay off me that dog.
me don't know if you see that's why I tell you the Vybz Kartel set a very high standard in a dancer, you know. Because you see for back in the days, and a man said that on the stage, trust me, Vybz Kartel approach the man there. You see me? Yeah man, Vybz Kartel challenge the man there. Lyrics for lyrics. You see me?
Brother, stop chat shit, brother, about Vybz Kartel challenges. Challenge what? You're a madman, dog. Bro, sometimes I pop some little thing in a dog. Bro, the only war we can say, where Kartel go at it, brother, I'm a Movada, brother. Stop it, dog. And I true him just feel like some Movada some weak fence and all of them little thing there, brother. When Ninja Man fouled up on the stage, bro, what Kartel him do? The man no want go at it lyrically, bro. You see me? How badness the man push. You see, the man no want do nothing with music, brother. How badness the man do it, brother. Some don't know what you talk about, but man say this time go up on which stage. Brother, no go sit down, bro. You see it? Cause only thing you can talk about a Gaza and the goalie thing. That's all you can talk about, bro.
You see them new youth, dog? Them just boring, bridge. I swear to you. Them new dancehall artists are just boring because if Masicka say my baddest thing in a dancehall, see? If Masicka say my baddest thing in a dancehall, remember, you see Movado, maybe that's why Movado name come up and then Vybz Kartel name come. Cause me never call for the name after. You see a man like a Movado now and a Vybz Kartel, they've done set the thing already, you know, in a film time. But none of them new artists are. You hear a man like all a Masicka say that, and I not attack, Bro, if me a young artist, if me an artist in a dancehall, man, I hear Masicka say that, man, me a attack, you know. Yeah, man.
No, not that. Cause I hype you don't look. Hype you don't look, brother. You understand? So Masicka say my baddest thing means say a artist just run up on him and just start this. Brother, a man can say anything what them want, you know, bro. You know, mean say is the truth or the fact. You understand? Some don't know how you're in a year feeling through Masicka say my the baddest thing. You see me? A man can't say anything, brother. If him out, him talk where him want talk. Him believe where him want believe. You see me? It's a good thing when you believe in yourself, in a dog. You see me? So I don't know you in your feelings through a man say a thing on a stage, brother. You see me? But I kind of realize say, yo, someone no Gaza man, brother, on a wet bread, bro. Cause every time somebody says something, I wanna feel some type of way. You see me? All when it's not even necessary, dog. You see it? Remember Masicka always say that, brother, like, come on, brother. We don't know the things set already with them, man. Them man, I gotta just talk something, you see me? Yeah.
And him have to prove him skills, him have to prove him talent, same body, you know. But because the other Masicka said up on the stage, and this is the rest of the artist, you know. If only not see them thing as a this, you know, me see that as a this, you know. Yeah, me see that as a this, man, I try to tell us the rest I want to weak, you know. The rest. So a man like a Masicka say them thing there. Shoot off a Masicka and sell pass. You see me? Let me see if him gonna approach you. And you see me? And let me see if Masicka have the guts to take you on. You see me? Dog, back in that time, dog. Vice Cartel is just take on everything will move. From your creep, you get it. You see?
Yo, them guys are man are lying, dog. What you mean by Vice Cartel? Look how much your artists run over Vice Cartel and him no answer. I don't ya. Them say Masicka call him out with you. Look how much your artists, brother. Right, stop going like say Cartel ready for war all the time, brother. You see, move out alone. The man just use ego, brother. Ego the man I use. And I just dream feel like say move out is like a weak fence and him know a couple secret about him and all of them things there, brother. So I don't know what you really are talking about, dog. You see me? We don't know what you really are talking about, fam.
Yeah, I say, yeah, Vibes Cartel a time for him rest and now and time for move out that thing. Them set themselves in this thing. Them embed like how move out say. Embedded in a me and Vibes Cartel, embedded in a dancehall. You know? Yeah. Me and Vibes Cartel a column in a dancehall. We can't go around that. But the Masicka speech there. A speech of me, baddest thing in a dancehall. If I tell you the God Almighty truth in a dog, I wish you stop saying thing there. I'm not going to tell you a lie. I wish you actually stop saying you're the baddest thing in a dancehall. Because, man.
Yo, I'm tell them Gaza, man, them man are weak, dog. A wet bread, brother. You want the man to stop saying I'm the baddest thing? But I never know say you are control bad about what you say, brother. I want to know Gaza, man, dog. I want to know. One of artists they road and they are stressed out and whatever next man I say. I don't understand that, brother. I don't think you know happy for an artist they road, man. I want to go on no artist they road and still not happy. Judge a youth.
I tell you God Almighty truth, you know, you know bad like squash, you know. You gotta tell you the God Almighty truth, bro. You know wicked like squash. Yo, you know some actually literally pray for squash come back a road. When people used to tell me say Alkaline winning and clash with squash, dog. It always make me cringe, you know, cause me I say, yo, me I wonder if I see him clash, me and them I listen to, you know. You see me? Me I wonder if I see him clash, me and them I listen to. Yeah, man. It always make me cringe, brother, because me can't tell you Alkaline did not win that clash with squash. Not. You see me?
That's your opinion, brother. Remember, say a God say you say no, so you can't say anything, but the whole world know what go on already, brother. Brother, remember, say after a war, nobody not 2 med 6 again, brother. The 6 thing done. Man, if you cut up and you're not even hear about daddy one career after that, brother. Chronic Law, gone over there, so 6 cash gone over there, so week out, brother. Week out. Remember, say Alkaline take on the whole camp, you know, bro. So I don't know what you're talking about, brother. You're sick in the head, but I understand say you're Gaza, man, still, and you're just in your feelings. Because you say you're cringe. You see me, Mr. Cringers.
Yeah, man. Squash a bad artist, brethren. And Masicka not better than Squash, dog. No, dog. Me not gonna tell no lad. Yo, you see if Squash did. I reckon put the badness part aside. Well, we can't put the badness part aside because... But you see if Squash did that though. Shows, see? You see if Squash did that go up on the stage like a Masicka and I have shows are done. Remember me tell you, say. Squash should have a control dancehall in a palm, my man. You see me? Can remember?
Control dancehall in a palm. You mean control is soap, so not drop it in a prison. So you mean control is dancehall. You sick in the head, brother. You know see a badness them man they think them man just you do music as hobby. That's why them can't perform on stage. You understand? Cause them set up them life in a way say yo them can't do gun away. So that's why I couldn't do no shows, bro. You see me? All especially in the US there. I couldn't do no shows. Cause no say them a coward, brother, them can't perform no way. You see me a badness them deal with, so them have to just do you can't do badness and not do music, brother. You understand? So I don't know what you're talking about.
You with Squash now, do shows, you know. You see me? Yeah. You see me? I think just a drop song, a drop. You see Squash did actually. Remember when Squash, yo, let's remember, man. Remember when Squash had do shows, you know, man. Oh, what you talk about, man? Squash erupt dance all the time, there, you know. You see me? I say, people, yeah. So when I hear Masicka say, yo, my baddest thing in a dancer. I'm not telling you, Masicka, I make me cringe on the body. Every time you say them thing, them dog. Them what?
People, we can't believe say the Gaza man them so weak. Whatever Masicka say, Him man them in them feelings, dog. We can't believe this, brother. I saw no weak, brother. Eh? I saw no weak, brother. Him man can't sleep because Masicka say him are the baddest thing. Eh? Them little word there, brother, get into no head, brother. You sure sound no weak, bro. We're not ready yet, dog. We're not ready yet, brother. Me I tell you that. You see me? We're not ready yet, bro. Is it?
Actually do not want your career for water though. Because I love dancehall, you know. Yeah, man, I love dancehall.
You don't love dancehall, man. I'm on your love, man. The way you talk, you don't love dancehall.
And you see, when enough of una push the genre, go into the space, you know, I go out in the world, dancehall will build more. You get what I say?
But the owner usually say, yo, a one man change dancehall and one man make people stop listening Afrobeat and this and that. So how now say, yo, when enough artists go out there, you think can build more? Me not understand. Me think you say, yo, a cartel, I move dancehall and cartel I do this. So how now say, a bag of artists now? Me not understand that. No more switch up now, because you know what? When you realize, brother, cartel no really do nothing right now. Him just do some shows and them little thing them. Not really do nothing, brother. Is it? Him just do him little shows them and release some little songs and that's it. Nah, nothing no change, bro. Dancehall just being dancehall, brother. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, so that's one of the reasons why me really don't want your career for water down. But it look like you water down your own career, dog. I swear to you. What kind of baddest thing you talk about, man? What kind of baddest thing you talk about, man? Eh? Squash a bad artist in a brethren. Eh? Yeah. The Vibes Cartel and I'm over. Yeah, man. Let's talk about them people. You know bad like Squash, dog. I want you, man. You know bad like a puppy, man. You're not in a putty puppy. Not in a putty puppy, because puppy there in a world by himself. A mega star. As our Vibes Cartel say.
Brother, everybody knows a puppy can't clash, brother. Come on, bro. You understand? Puppy are just, big music and them thing there, but the clashing thing on the popcorn. So I don't know what you mean by this.
You're not no book, dog. You're not no book. You see what I say? You're not no book, brother. What do you man tell him? Say, yo, you know, this is a Masicka and an anthem. You see me? Unless they're going to use white as an anthem. Are your anthem song that? You see? I mean, I look into it deep, you know. I say, you know, say, true dog attack. You know? Because a man like me, you know. Me's a man fascinated with the song called White, you know. I can't tell you that from right. I'm a Jamaican, man. Me not snark coke in my bum buckle nose. You see what I mean?
But yeah, sniff though. You way you talk come like you sniff. You understand? Cause be a madness you talk.
I say, yeah. And the Jamaican culture. Bad man, as I'm telling you, beer cocaine now in our culture. The culture just shift up basically. You see me? The culture just shift badly. Yeah, man. But Masicka, I tell you, dog. You know bad like Squash, brother, me I tell you. Yo, free Squash, dog. Free Squash. Yo, ever make me deep? Yo, come at me, you want to cry when my sister Squash get locked up, dog. I swear to you.
People, it's something I talk about. Them Gaza man you know love music and man them love. The man say him feel like him want to cry when him see say Squash I get locked up. You see them Gaza man ya, bro? Man a cry, man a ball. Remember you know Squash, you know him brother and her cousin nobody to him, you know. And the man say he want to cry. Dog, the last time I see something like that I would one brother say, yo, the man with Cartel say, yo, you want that and his daughter pass away and he never cry. And we say when Cartel release from prison, water forward I'm eye. I'm have to shake my head, bro. Them man don't love music, brother. Man them love a bag of balling. That me I tell you.
Yeah, dog. Squash one of my favorite artists in the dancehall space. Man, what you talk about, man? Dogs, you see, I'm telling you, man. A three artist alone can sing a bad man song. And can actually feel the bad man song. In a space of dancehall, a three artists can actually sing a bad man song and we can literally feel the song. Vibes Cartel, Movado, and Squash. Yeah, man. We can actually literally feel the song. Yeah, man. No joke. So I say, but Masicka
That's your opinion still. You see, that's your opinion.
did a great performance though. If performance was nice over K, man. We can't go around that. Cause like I said, I see the clippings this morning. It was a good performance. But the baddest thing, brother, no bother with it. No bother with it because me don't want you keep on and say that in a dog and your career go get water down in a dog. Me don't want you go pick up the Idona style. Me the baddest thing in this. Me don't want you pick up that thing in a dog.
But brother, I know saying true Idona say my baddest thing water down in career. Idona did I go through a little thing, you don't know him son and all of them little thing there, brother. So the man never really release music like that for stay current in the business. You see me? That way kinda make him have a little fall back. Cause him never did that. Remember say about years the man not put out song, you know. You see me? Years the man never put out song, brother. So at that way kinda make him get a little pushback there, so. You see me? And I really say yo, him say him are the baddest thing. Everybody, more majority of the artists say them are the baddest thing, brother. Nothing wrong with that. If an artist feel like him are the baddest thing, he can just say it. You see me? You can't stop him from what him say. You see me? If he does, don't lie him just prove say him are the baddest. That's it.
Literally, no one you pick up that thing. Cause like I said, Really know why your career damage, you know. Really know why your career damage because I tell you again, one no founder do good in a dancehall, for build dancehall, you know. Put it out there on the market, put it out there more.
You know none of young youths them build, brother. Every day you get up on compare cartel when I game for much years, 25, 30 years or 20 years. We look at young youth them. Every day you use cartel and bring young youth them, but them nah do nothing and them this and them that and bray. You no want to see nothing going for the youth them. Stop act like you have sympathy for where youth them I do. You not so fan cartel for from prison you get up every day, but yo with the youth them nah do no song, yo. Cartel show them up this and that and way. You move for me, I said that. You don't care about no artist, brother, and about no genre. A man you don't care about.
In the world, you see me? Right against this thing, what they call it, Afrobeat. You see me? I think something I wish bad for your career. None of that. I will never wish bad for your career. But this baddest thing, no that. Nobody the foolishness. Nobody the foolishness. Baddest thing, no that. You see me? And none of the young artists, them not even run out on him. And I first Masicka said this, you know, and the first. And none of them young artists that never yet run out on him and try to challenge. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you. Not even listen to them young artists because they're just weak.
You did listen to them when cartel they are prison though. Cause no found no fake, you know. A true cartel they are road, you know, make you have them bag of chatting and about a young artist week, you know. Couple years ago, 5 or 6 years ago, no never did that talk, so. We never did that talk, so. A true cartel for the road. Cause I mean, if cartel is still there prison, no foul, no. One that switch up and gone over this or this or this. That'd be a different argument right now. Cause we know no stay, no just attack or run with a bag of hype and all of them look at things. You see it? We know what things set. But a reality we deal with.
Myself still Masicka upon your performance. It was a good performance. It was a good performance. But the baddest thing, not gonna work. That one not gonna work. Not even close, brother. Not even close. It ain't a long line in that. You see me? Your man, you're right behind Skilly Bang too. Come on, man. What you talk about, man? Skilly Bang. But that ain't no foolishness, brother. I guarantee you would clash of Skilly Bang. You must be mad. Masicka, enough artists there before you know baddest thing, man. It's a bad.
Brother, Skilly Bang can't even write good lyrics to save him. Cause, brother, you know, some time we hear them man hype up people in a dog. Skilly Bang, brother. The man will sing, bro, yo, apo, gunshot, maybe. Brother, come on, bro. Come on, brother. You're sick in the head, bro. I'm telling you, say, I just show them artists where you see my call out. I show them a line with the Gaza thing, you know. I tell you, say, right now, I show Movada and Cartel do the Gaza and Gully thing, make you see them a hype up Movada, you know. Cause a few years ago, them never did that do this. But wait till everything done. Them see them when I go turn them back on Movada and try for this Movada. I show Movada, I give them a little strength to the Gully and Gaza thing right now. You understand? Yeah, so. I just that people. You see me? But you don't know me the first go to work. I just bag of internet and bag of thing them go on with. You see it? Yeah, man. But people, you don't know what things set.
This thing. Just believe me, man. But I know you call it baddest thing, you know. I know your baddest thing kind of different from my baddest thing, but